Hi everybody! I have here a very nice topic. It's all about 15 tricks with baking soda that everyone should know. Number one is natural deodorant. Baking soda is a natural deodorant which contains aluminum that stops the sweat glands in the armpit from sweating. Studies have shown that the aluminum in deodorants can cause cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Make a healthy switch from aluminum deodorants and try one that uses baking soda. Number two, for heartburn. Baking soda relieves heartburn. If you drink a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in 8 ounces of water, it can neutralize stomach acid and temporarily alleviate heartburn caused by acid reflux. Number 3, mosquito bites. Another simple remedy for mosquito bites is to make a thick paste of baking soda and water. Then apply this paste generously to the affected area. Number 3, scrub. Baking soda can improve wrinkles, blackheads, and tarnished skin. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to your usual facial cleanser and form a paste. Massage it into your skin in circular motion to help exfoliate and leave your skin feeling soft. Number 5, hair growth. Baking soda can increase hair growth and is usually mixed with vinegar to do so. 1 part of baking soda with 3 parts of water. Apply this mixture to your hair and leave it on for 1 to 3 minutes, then rinse it well with warm water. Number 6, stretch marks. Baking soda is a natural exfoliate and can remove dead skin cells, making your stretch marks easier to deal with. Number 7, bad breath. Baking soda can rebalance the levels of acid and help to treat and prevent halitosis. Dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water to make an effective mouth rinse to beat bad breath. Number 8, rough skin. Baking soda is alkaline in nature, which helps soften the sebum and debris on the face. Number 9, stains. Baking soda can remove stains. Mix 4 tablespoons of baking soda with 1/4 cup of water to make general stain remover. Number 6, refrigerator. Smells. Baking soda can absorb odors due to its alkaline nature and can neutralize acid odors. Number 11, jewelry cleaner. To remove built-in tarnish from your silver, make a thick paste with 1/4 cup baking soda and 2 tablespoons of water. Apply with a damp sponge and gently rub, rinse, and buff dry. Number 12, abscesses. Baking soda is useful in an abscess treatment and helps to clean it, plus acts as an antibacterial agent. Number 13, sunburn. Fills up your tub with water that's cool to the touch, and as it's filling, add 1 cup of baking soda. Relax in the tub for a while and your skin should start to feel better as baking soda creates a cooling sensation. Number 14, peas and beans softener. Baking soda can help get peas and beans ready for cooking quickly. Number 15, white teeth. Baking soda effectively removes surface stains from your teeth and makes them appear whiter. This is why many toothpastes include baking soda. Well, na-research ko ulit yun. Thank you so much for watching. God bless and keep smiling.